Hey there, Titans. Today, we're going to talk about how to export a debug file in Titan Web. Let's get into it. So I've got a basic project here. All right. And as a prerequisite, I just want to make sure that I have tools debug mode on. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and preview. So as you know, what debug mode allows us to do is see the true values of our field behind the scenes. So I'm just going to enter some data here. All right, give them a phone number, and let's say yes, and we'll tick off this checkbox, and let's take a look at our debug mode. So we can see we've got a whole bunch of different values in our debug mode here, and it's really nice and easy to use this. But let's say I had many values, and it might not be so easy to look through all of my different values here in debug mode, and I want to export this data to make sure I have it saved locally for myself. So we've got this new icon here, and what this will allow us to do is export all the data from our debug mode. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. I'll open up my file here. And what this will produce is a really nice file that will have our fields, the value, and the label for those fields. So for example, even though what the end user saw my dropdown was yes, please send me updates via email, I actually get to see the value of yes, and that's what I'm actually pushing to Salesforce. Same thing with my checkbox. I get to see that that got a true value because we did check that checkbox. So again, all we need to do is open debug, click on this icon to export, and we're going to get all this data exported to a CSV file. Thanks.